Hello, here's how to create an early bird registration type on Run the Day. From the dashboard, navigate to the Preview tab, then click Edit. Next, click the Registrations tab and scroll down to Add Registration Type. And here you can name it Early Runner or Early Bird Registration, whichever it may be, and you can set the registration open date and close date and time. Usually we like to do an early bird special for about 3 weeks to a month before registration opens. And it is usually about $5 to $10 cheaper than regular registration. Then click Save and Continue. Thank you.